Welcome to lesson 48 of course 2. This lesson we're going to talk about fractions, decimals, percents, and equivalents. This is a pretty difficult lesson, so please watch all of the video. We're going to describe a part of the whole using a fraction, a decimal, and a percent. We're going to write fractions, decimal, percentages as equivalents. Let's get started. There is no new vocabulary, so we can describe a part of a whole using a fraction, a decimal, or a percentage. You can see here that we have half of a circle, or 0.5 of a circle, or 50% of a circle that is shaded. Right below that, you'll notice that 2 over 2 equals 1, 5 over 5 equals 1, and 100 over 100 equals 1. So we can use that to our advantage. So we can convert a fraction or a decimal to a percent by multiplying the numbers by 100%. So 7/10, when we multiply that by 100, we get 700 over 10. When we cancel out the zeros there, we're left with just 70. So 7/10 is equal to 70%. So write 2/3 as a percent. So you're going to take 2/3, you're going to times it by 100, which is going to equal 200 over 3. When you divide that, you're going to get 66 with a remainder of 2. So 66 and 2/3 is going to be your percentage. And we can do that down here. Let's go ahead and just show that to you. 3 goes 6 times, that's 18. Bring down our 2, 20, that's 6 times, that's 18. Bring down our 2, remainder 2. So bring a 2 over here, put over the 3, gives us the 2/3. This is a mixed number answer. That's how we want it to look when we're asked for percentages. All right, write 0.8 as a percent. So you know that 8 times 10 to the second, you just learned that in the last lesson, means that we move our decimal over 2. So we've got 80%. Okay, so let's see if you can do this. Let's see if you can complete this table on your own. It is not easy. Go ahead and pause the video and see if you can do it. And then I'm going to work you through all of them. So it's a little hard for me to put the answers up here in these boxes. So I'm going to go ahead and show them to you. But please try to do everything on this box before I show you the answers, which I'm going to do in just a few seconds. Okay. So in A, the decimal of 1/3 is 0.33333. So it's 0.3 repetend right here. That's A, 0.3 repetend. The percentage, if we divide 3 into 100, you're going to get 33 and 1/3. And 1/3%. Here we have a decimal, we got 1.5. We know that 1.5 as a fraction is 1.5. That's pretty easy. But what is it as a percentage? Well, it's 150%, because we know 0.5 is 50%, and we know the 1 equals 100, so it's 150%. 60, to get the decimal, we divide it by 100, so we move our decimal over twice, so we end up with 0.6, which is right here. And then our fraction is going to be 60 over 100, which is 3/5 right here. As you take your 60 and you place it over 100, and then you just simplify it. 6 over 10 equals 3/5. On G, 2 over 1 is equal to 2. So our decimal is just going to be 2. You can put a decimal after that if you wanted. And percentage-wise, it's going to be 200%. We do lots and lots and lots of these type of tables. So if you can't do this, you're going to be in a lot of trouble. So make sure you understand how we did each of those conversions, going from fraction to decimal, decimal to fraction, decimal to percentage, percent to fraction, fraction to percent. You got to be able to do all of them. All right. Here's your tickets out the door. I know there's a lot of them. Every once in a while, that's what you get. Normally, you only have 3. Knock these out, send them in to me, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bring your questions, please. See you tomorrow in class.